Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2017 Acura RDX Technology Package in the white finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include the jewel-eyed LED headlights, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, some of the safety features include the collision mitigation braking system, forward collision warning system, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, and the blind spot information. Also a power liftgate, driver seat memory seating, power windows and locks, and the power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, heated front seats, sunroof, black interior, the rear heated seats, and also equipped with the Acura ELS 410 watt premium audio system, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.